Oh yeah, yeah. Genau.
We're gonna kick it dark. That would have been funny to see that. Jane would have told you back we had fucking pets.
Glass box car.
Where'd she come from? Oh, they're in there. Huh.
Seriously?
Yeah, I'm really.
There are 4 side arms, okay? You can see here in front, okay? Those side arms are moving out and are fixing the 4 wheels, okay? We are simulated here, 4 wheels. When this is happening, the car and our cabin is moving up. It's happening right now, and then we are about to finish. Okay, we will go up to the last floor right now, as I said before, okay? The customers are able to pick up the cars here, so this means you are making a contract with the local car dealer by yourself. If you want the car to be delivered to your car dealer, or instead of it to come by yourself, to come and take the car here in Wolfsburg. If you want to come by yourself, the car has to be brought in one of those towers, as I said before. And it's not important where the car was produced, since we are just producing 4 different models here in the factory. But I will show you where the cars are coming from. Now, if you watch straight on out of the windows, you can see the factory area, okay? And on the right side, down on the right side, there is a glass tunnel, okay? And this is the connecting part between the factory area and the Autostadt area. And through this glass tunnel, all the cars are brought to us and answer everything to you, okay? Right now, you are in the center, we are in the center of the Autostadt. And the Autostadt, for sure, it is a delivery center for Volkswagen and Volkswagen customers. But it's not the main reason. All over the year, we are just closed on the 24th and 31st of December. All the rest, Easter Monday, for example, we were open regularly and customers were able to pick up the new cars. The show must go on, okay? Autostadt, this is the main area, okay? I told you. We are now inside the towers. The towers were exactly the same in the beginning, okay? So 20 floors, on each floor 20 cars, means 2 times 400 places, okay? Since we integrated this car assembly tower to only in the year 2007, and the opening was in the year 2000 on the 1st June, we lost some spaces inside this tower, okay? So we have 390 spaces left here. In the second tower, still 400 cars. As I said, the cars, not more than 48 hours. Why? We have many hundreds delivery every day, okay? My maximum number was 654 deliveries.
One day?
One day. So, as you make your calculations, 790 places altogether. We are not able to bus, then the customer is coming 60 to 75 minutes before your official delivery time. The car is going out of the tower, and underground we are connected to this building on the left side. Okay, this is the delivery center. So when your time is about to come. The car is going out automatically down underground to the delivery center, and then you have been here
2002.
during that time.
2002, 2003, 2004, 2007, 2008, 2010, 2015 and 2016.
Now I have to say something to you. Look,
We've got a company on there. This is that's what he told me. And I said to the bus driver, but no, I saw it sign Autostadt.
inventing such categories, okay? But nevertheless, look here, for example, perfect. This car on the left side is picked up now, okay? Can you see?
Yeah.
Are you brave?
Yeah.
So we can start at the same moment like the car, and you will see that the car is much quicker than us. Look. It has reached and we are still here.
Yeah. Have you ever been in this at the same speed as the car? You
It's
personally?
not possible.
You
It's
can't
not,
do it?
No, it's not possible. The computer is not allowing it.
Ah.
So look, now they are wondering why we.
Came back to Australia and getting into a T4. And she wasn't very happy.
Oldtimer noch viele Events. Zeigen das erste internationale Vorbild. Wir wissen, dass Oldtimer als Teil der Familie angesehen werden. Deshalb wird jeder Auftrag mit dem größtmöglichen Park.
This has got the Mark 7 Volkswagen. changing. It's always done that.
No, I think that's good though.
Yeah, keeps it.
The only problem I is I can't tell if you want apart from the two.
Gas aluminium meets platform ultra-high-strength steel. Materials not only give the main structural shape. This nutmeg is old. Audi has initiated to improve customer products by installing electrical cooling, often
So how do you get the super? Take it a full.
Later on, it's done over 100,000.
On the glove box now. So all of that, then the wiring loom that goes into the engine bay goes down and then through a grommet in the fire.
Stressed me out hard. Knew I shouldn't bullshit.
Do you fuck?